Okay, the floor is all framed in, so let me show you what I did. This is a really small coop, which means that I had to get creative with the ramp up to the chickens' living space, shall we call it. So they're going to have a ramp that comes down from right there, and I recessed it in from the wall so that when they reach the top of the ramp, they don't run into the wall. So the ramp will go from there down to, let's call it the landing. When it comes to the landing, I used these pressure treated pieces to support out here. And I did that because it's kind of close to the ground. But then in addition to that, I did leave a gap from the bottom of that piece to the ground itself. And that'll offer a little bit more weather protection, make it last just a little bit longer. Chickens are pretty lightweight. This doesn't have to support a ton of weight. So that should work out just fine. And then from there, framing in, the rest of it was pretty straightforward. I did decide to frame this part because if I didn't frame that part, I was going to wind up having to cut a really thin strip of plywood to go over here. So rather than do that, my plywood here is going to come this far and then just kind of be cut around that post and then cut to leave that opening open. Let's talk width. So this is about a 14-inch span here. And I did that because I want to make sure that the chickens feel comfortable and not squeezed going both up and down that ramp. And then over here, what I'm going to do is actually place 2x4s in here that go up to about here. And the reason that I'm going to do that is because I'm then going to take a 2x4 across and meet up here. So there will be another one right here. And basically I'm encasing these 4x4s. If you don't do that, it's going to look kind of funky. And this way everything's nice and flush and also kind of doubles as the support for that piece that's going to come across here.